Hey, are you looking for a good quality best mini drone 2020 from Aliexpress? I have fixed the mini drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the mini drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the drone is V9 4K new mini drone. The V9 drone with 4K camera is one of the affordable beginner-level quadcopters that you can buy for an exhilarating flight experience. However, a good aircraft is known for its features, specifications, and flight functions. Recently this drone price is $19.80. This drone has an HD wide-angle 90-degree adjustable camera with 50x zoom. You can capture unforgettable moments without distortion, and view the image on your phone through a wide-angle lens. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to APK system to take photos and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. Very suitable for flagship aerial photography. The RC quadcopter body is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics. The arm is foldable, small in size, easy to carry, lightweight and durable, and very easy to operate. 3.7-volt, 800 mAh intelligent lithium battery, about 15 minutes of flight time. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one key. 716 brushed coreless motor, superpower, long life. Indoor flight is more stable with an optical flow camera. Camera pictures can be rotated and enlarged and shrunk. The camera can be switched up and down. This is a perfect drone that can fly easily and stably for beginners, children, beginners, or novices. In at number 4, the drone is S171 Pro Mini Drone. Already this drone price is $22.74. It has multiple functions like trajectory flight, headless mode, take photo and video, one key takeoff and landing, LED lights, one button automatic return, altitude holding mode, 360-degree flip, etc. It is built with a 1080-pixel camera. It surprisingly captures stunning images and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can connect to apps and take photos, videos, and real-time transmission through the phone. Gesture photo and video. Take pictures and videos by posing simple gestures, which achieves great convenience with simple hand motions in photography. It has 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. Protective propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. High-quality ABS material to free your worries of a sudden shock or drop. With the function of altitude holding mode, the flight is stable. A flight path is drawn on the phone screen and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. The drone is small and easy to use. With the button of one key takeoff and landing, simple to control the drone. The headless mode and 360-degree flip come handy even for the drone newbies. With its foldable arms, small size, lightweight, easy to carry. LED lights make flying more spectacular, especially in the dark. In at number 3, the best mini drone is NYR E99 Pro 2 RC Mini Drone. Recently this foldable mini drone price is $27.43. The latest E99 Pro 2 drone in 2020, compared with the previous generation. It is equipped with a dual-lens module, 2 HD cameras can be switched in real time. You can easily see what your drone sees through smartphone apps. E99 Mini Drone has 4K 50x zoom HD camera. It is a built-in high-performance Wi-Fi module that can transmit professional movie quality in real time. 75-degree adjustable lens to provide you with a larger shooting range and bring you a better flight experience. The upgraded 1800 mAh high-capacity lithium battery can provide up to 25 minutes of flight experience in good weather. You can purchase E99 battery modules to further increase its flight time. E99 Pro provides the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor flying. One key takeoff and landing. Use app control to customize the flight trajectory and control your drone more intelligently. High brightness LED lights, suitable for night flight. The E99 is as small as a hummingbird and can easily hover in the air, making the photo more stable. The drone also supports gestures for taking pictures. Showing fists can recognize taking pictures, and showing palms can recognize videos, make it so easy to control even for kids. And at second place, the drone is SG907 Upgrade RC Drone. Now, this drone price is $59.88. This drone has multiple function. Up and down, turn left and right, forward and backward, sideward flight, Wi-Fi connection, dual camera, follow mode, optical flow position, 1 key return, 1 key to land and take off. Trajectory flying mode, speed switching, gesture video, gesture photo, MV production. 3 control modes including joystick mode, classic mode and motion sensing mode. The high-resolution 4K camera with 90-degree adjustable angle and 5G Wi-Fi image transmission captures the most beautiful scenery and offers super sharp image, giving you an extraordinary journeys. The optical flow position is mounted in the horizontal direction, and the air pressure is set at a high altitude to achieve stable flying, making the picture clearer. Upgraded GPS positioning system, back to home with one button, back to home automatically when there is low power, back to home when it lost control. It allows you to draw your trajectory route on the app control interface, and the aircraft will automatically fly along the drawn trajectory with the current position. Just choose the master mode and face the aircraft lens. After the target person is locked, the drone could always follow your steps and point the camera to you to catch your every move and take aerial photos. When facing the front lens of the camera, specified gestures can be recognized and connect to the camera function of the aircraft. You can take photos by victory gestures and shoot videos by box gestures or palm gestures. It has 7.6 volt, 500 mAh long-lasting battery. The battery is modular in design and easy to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery boosts power and delivers 18 minutes of flight time. And at number 1, the mini drone is ZWN SG108 GPS drone. Recently this drone price is $90.23. It has multiple functions such as up and down, forward and backward, turn left and right, speed control, GPS, 1 key takeoff, landing and return, optical flow positioning, 4K front camera, 50x zoom, follow me mode, gesture video and photo, waypoint flight and many more. It has 4K high-definition front camera with a 90-degree electronically adjustable angle and 720-pixel bottom camera that can capture stunning sharp and vivid images with real color resolution. Everything your camera sees as you fly is displayed live. It has dual positioning of the GPS system and optical flow positioning make the aircraft completely aware of its location in relation to you. It hovers precisely, moves accurately, and locks onto satellites fast. The powerful brushless motor offers strong power, achieving smoothness for best reliability and stable flight, and making it easier for the operator to control. You can set a point and the size of the surrounding radius and the aircraft can fly around this set point. You would find it diverting. You can take a picture of the camera and take a video by posing simple gestures, which achieves great convenience with simple hand motions in photography. By its waypoint flight system, simply tap several points on the app screen, the drone will automatically flight following the set track. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.